5,000 subscribers, that's wild. I didn't think that many people cared about roller doors. So cheers for all the support, comments and reviews. It helps me keep making more videos. You're all bloody legends. All right, just replaced this old steel line roller door motor. These are actually a pretty good unit. This one here is 2006. I think the motor is actually still good, but the control box, no good. So we are replacing it with a new Merlin MR655. Now these are a very compact motor unit. As you can see. Oh, look at that. So from the inner drum wheel to the actual motor, you can get away with but I think it's 130 from edge to edge, maybe a touch more actually. Let's spin that around and we'll have a better look. If that stays on its edge, probably not. Okay, there we go. So inner edge to motor, now that's 130, so your 130 is the minimum you can squeeze that in between the door curtain up there and that beam or the wall if it's on that side, which there is literally no room at all. 70 mil. Now believe it or not, these new Merlin openers, the MR range, they fit in the same space, 130 millimeters. Look at that. So that's hitting the inside drum wheel to that beam up there. But now in the manual, it says you need 95 millimeters between the curtain and the wall or anything behind the motor. However, we've even got about a 5 millimeter gap to play with. And we've installed this with under 90 millimeters. 81, 86, 87, 88. So we've installed that between the curtain and the beam with 88 millimeters. And we've even got some space to spare, so technically we could push the motor in just a smidge more, get that down to 85. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, we've got 5 more millimeters to play with there if we had to squeeze a bit more out of it. There you go, when you haven't got much room to play with at all, 88 millimeters is the exact number you need with a bit of extra room for play, because you don't want that door scraping on your nice new cover of your motor there. That's why you need to install a Merlin garage door opener on your roller door like this one. So I'll just open that up and show you that it's not scraping at all. Don't make a liar out of me. Nah, heaps of room there. It's even got more room now. Those springs still need a bit more of an oiling, but it runs good. But yeah, 88 millimeters. And of course, I'm that roller door bloke. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next great garage door tip.